Alright, so I purchased the Eastwood Contour SCT. So this is a finisher. They label it as a surface conditioning tool. Oh yeah. It's beautiful. Oh yeah. So prior to welding, I need to clean up the ends where everything's going to be welded to each other. But I also need to paint it, and we need to remove the mill scale. So we'll do that now. First I have to assemble this tool. Comes with a handle and an Allen key here. Okay, so we got two different keys. One is for the drum, and looks like one is for the handle. And it comes with an extra set of brushes, which is cool. I don't think I'm going to use it that much that I'm going to need an extra set of brushes, but we'll see. Okay, this is just an Allen, a socket cap screw with a washer, so we don't want to lose the washer here. Right, there's the washer. Okay, so the long screw goes in there. I got to remember that. All right, so handle. Short one goes in there. Long one goes in here. I also purchased a drum here. Let's see if it's the right size. Yep. So this is a separate purchase. I'm not going to use this today, I don't think. It's the speed grind. Big old drums. Alright, so now we're going to get the grinding. So you want to get into fabrication, huh? So all this stuff takes time. It's loose. Reverse thread. I just noticed that. I saw the washer spinning. I'm like, hey, that doesn't look right. I think I'll switch to this other one. Let's get this guy off of here. Interesting. Let's see if this is the right size. And this is the new Super Grindz. New Super Grindz. And quite a bit of that was worn off there. This one ain't no joke. tearing right through it. Yo, that was sweet. Definitely the bomb diggity. Ugh.